Today I want to talk about a very sensitive subject, about passivity, about tolerance. I'll start it out with that I listened to the beginning of a video a little while ago from Dr. David Martin, who's probably one of the most intelligent people I know. And he was calling for total annihilation of the WHO, the World Health Organization. And there are many reasons I support that. I would say the same for the FDA and the CDC, which are all terrorist organizations, medical terrorist organizations, pharmaceutical terrorism. So, but that's not what I'm going to be focusing on in medicine. I, on X, wrote two different posts that basically are going viral. And I want to read them to you, and then I'm going to read something from 50 years ago. First thing, passivity. Whether through pacifism, misplaced tolerance, or inaction, enables violence. Protection, however, demands action, even if uncomfortable. History shows us this repeatedly. Kindness and tolerance in the face of Islam is a weakness. And that's how they view that, and they view that correctly. We don't. Shame on us. Actually, tolerance is a cowardly form of violence. And this is something from 1945 by Karl Popper, The Paradox of Tolerance. If we extend unlimited tolerance, even to those who are intolerant, if we are not prepared to defend a tolerant society against the onslaught of the intolerant, then the tolerant will be destroyed, and tolerance with them. And then with my first post, I quoted a paragraph from an essay I wrote, published about 10 days ago, on the defense of women. One of my mantras, or in my meditation, daily meditation, is to love and protect my wife. In this essay, I extended that to love and protect and understand all women. Half the human race are women, maybe a little bit more. So one paragraph from this essay about defending the feminine reads like this. Islam is a cage for women. Not that Muslim men see it that way. In much of the Islamic women are not free. They are not free to speak, to show their hair, to walk unaccompanied, to marry without permission, or even to exist outside the framework of male control. What we are witnessing, especially in places like Afghanistan and Iran, is not a cultural difference. It's not a modest dress code. It is systematic religious oppression sanctified by clerics, enforced by men, and too often ignored by the so-called civilized world. Western leaders and the elite behind them are desperate not to see this. Being on X these last 2 months has exposed me to a constant stream of the insistence and screaming and yelling of Muslim men, both in Gaza and in England and in Detroit and New York and California. In Canada, Australia.
You just watched the first 4 minutes of a video that's over 10 minutes long. To see the rest of the video, follow me on Substack, link in the description.